Yeah, whoa. Young Sicilian in this motherfucker, man. I thought I'd give you motherfuckers a break, but y'all niggas still talking, right? Shit. Motherfuck this shit. What the fuck, nigga, going on these days, huh? Keep them Uzi on the press. Man, I gotta talk to my nigga Jay. What the fuck? Shit ain't okay. Let them guns blast. 26 class, 45 rap. Niggas on that block like I rap that. Niggas Southside block, flash, 96, 45 with the E-class, motor splash, bulletproof glass on your ass, never know what dash, catch your 20, 45, put the pedal on the gas, niggas on the suicide, had a block of homicide, no one stop or do or die, the school was stop, catch your 20, so block and never go, that's it, block of 96 to 45, let it go, niggas in there rapping slow, rapping that fast, on the block, all they talk about, hitting that ass, on that cash, niggas Southside, have a blast, on that quarter, with the niggas on the bed, come on with some new shit, spirit on that bitch. Mama rap, motherfucker, who's the first in this bitch? Outside niggas ride when the homicide died. 2045, let the bullet fly fast time.
Fucking bird, man! Oh, Jesus! Wow!
Bullet fly, bad die, die. Catch it on the time. You can do that shit, butterfly it on my ride. And my niggas suicide on the same shit. Probably grab a 24 to flip, like the block with the fame clips. Niggas same bitch, Glock these shit. Had a full down with the blind with the blend bitch. Throw a Uzi in the game, 6 block game. You can call me Sicilian on that blockchain. Niggas motherfucker acting real strange. I can do that 696 on my plate, so I had it. Black 96, then I'm grabbing. Gun 25 with the duck and I'm stabbing. Any motherfucker throwing it in my radio. Gotta get this money there, bring it in the window. Got the block of 96 with the radio. 26, 45 with the crazy flow. Niggas outside, man, but you lay low. This is Sicilian way, cause I say so. Chill, buy that album. Good confusion, huh? Young niggas. Go to school, man. Ah. Young niggas. Ah. Young niggas. Ah. It's going out. All of you souls that fall in the rap game. We lost many, man. With my nigga C Murder, Kevin Miller, Young Sicilian, we out, dog. Ginger.
I want your hands on the trigger, nigga. Young Sicilian,
You know, it's funny because I didn't even know it was bear hunting season.
What are you, a game warden? Some kind of fed or something?
Nah, I was, I'm just asking, just asking.
Well, I'll tell you. You see, there aren't too many of these big black fuckers left around here. So when you get a good clear shot at it, you sure as hell take it.
Huh. That's why you shoot them. Because there's not that many left.
I don't think I understand your question.
You know, there ain't all that many colored people around here neither. Maybe you ought to get back in your fancy car and go about your own business.
Yeah. Maybe you're right.
You hit my knee.
You know, in ancient cultures, bears were considered equal with men.
This ain't no ancient culture here, mister.
Sometimes it is.
Our bodies are given life in the midst of nothingness. Existing where there is nothing is the meaning of the phrase, form is emptiness. That all things are provided for by nothingness. is the meaning of the phrase, emptiness is form.